Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how this YouTube channel was built using only AI, and here's the crazy part. In just 3 weeks, one of its videos crossed 6 million views. And the rest of the uploads, they're all pulling in thousands of views consistently. So now you might be wondering, is AI content even monetizable on YouTube? The short answer is yes, but only if you use AI the right way. I run multiple Faceless YouTube channels myself, and in this video, I'll show you, completely for free, how you can build a channel just like this and get it monetized, even with AI involved. Let's start first. To understand what works, we need to study the channel. The channel is called No Sense. It has over 60,000 subscribers with only 18 videos, no shorts, just long-form content. The channel was created just a few months ago, yet it already has nearly 7 million total views. That's insane. 10 years ago, growth like this was almost impossible unless a huge YouTuber promoted you. Today, you can get millions of views without ever showing your face, without using your own voice, and on a brand new channel. That's the power of the modern YouTube algorithm. So how much is this channel actually making? Using estimates from Vidic, this channel is reportedly earning somewhere between $12,000 and $36,000 per month. Now, being realistic, it's probably closer to $5,000 or $6,000 a month. But for a channel this new, that's still absolutely amazing. Let's take a closer look at its most popular video. It has 6 million views and it's only 3 weeks old. It's a completely faceless video, using an AI voiceover and simple visuals. Literally anyone can make this kind of video. The voice is AI, the visuals are AI, and yes, AI voiceovers are allowed on YouTube. In fact, YouTube itself now offers AI dubbing features for creators. The secret sauce here is the niche. This channel is in the psychology niche. You'll see titles like "Only 2% of people think like this" or "Psychology explains why." But here's where 99% of people mess up. They copy the niche, but not the system behind it. You shouldn't target general psychology. Instead, you need to target a specific group of people within that niche. For example, you could target introverts, people who prefer to stay inside, people who avoid crowds, or people who enjoy being alone. This laser focus helps YouTube understand exactly who your content is for. And that is precisely why channels like this explode in popularity. Okay, let's break down the process. Step 1 is the script, and this is the most important part. I use Claude AI for my scripts. Not to fully automate the process, but to build a solid structure. I use a custom prompt that helps create long, engaging scripts, adds emotional turns to keep the viewer hooked, and is designed to be monetization safe. After the AI generates the initial draft, I always go back and edit it manually to add my own human touch. That is the key. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, not a complete replacement for your own creativity. Step 2 is the voiceover, and you can get a great one for free. For voiceovers, I use Google AI Studio. It's completely free, the quality is incredibly high, and the voices sound remarkably human. The process is simple. You just paste your script, choose a voice that fits your channel's vibe, click run, and then download the audio file. That's it, a professional-sounding voiceover in minutes. Step 3 is the editing, and I keep it simple with CapCut. Why CapCut? It's easy to use, it's cheap or even free, it's powerful, and it even has features to help you create your thumbnail. The editing style for these types of videos is very clean and straightforward. A plain white background, clear text captions on the screen, simple stickers and illustrations to add visual interest, and some light animations to keep things moving. This minimalist approach keeps the video clean, professional, and engaging without being distracting. Now, here is the most important rule for monetization. Never, ever let AI do everything. You should use AI to speed up your workflow, save money, and improve your efficiency. But you must always edit, customize, and add your own creativity to the final product. That is how you stay on the right side of YouTube's policies and get your channel monetized. This is the exact strategy that faceless AI channels are using to blow up right now. If you want my exact prompts, the full list of tools I use, and a detailed step-by-step system to follow, check out the link in the description. And if you're serious about building your own faceless YouTube channel, I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching.